Quiet South Padre Island, Texas, December the 13th, 2009. Lucky 13 for some. The day they're blowing up the failed luxury condo tower on the island. Since it's off-season for tourists and quiet, I decided to get up early on this gray, cool Sunday morning, take the bus up to the north end of the island, and join the circus crowd eagerly awaiting another failed triumph of modern civilization to be turned into a pile of smoking, dusty rubble.
We can get everybody off the road or to the grass area. Everybody off the road.
It's gonna explode up. Mom is inside.
The 31-story Ocean Tower Condominium, called by the locals the Leaning Tower of Padre, started listing to one side when half completed, apparently tilting as much as 20 degrees. Developers have filed a lawsuit against the engineering firms contracted for the project. It's taken about 5 days to load in the approximately 6,000 separate timed explosive charges. The building has been stripped bare of everything that can be reused. There's the warning sirens. The demolition is being done by CDI, Controlled Demolition Incorporated, out of Baltimore, Maryland. They've taken down a number of landmark buildings around the country, and this is their tallest project so far. And there it is, nothing left but a pile of rubble, fine particles about to make any smoker's lungs jump for joy, billowing up. And I can already feel the grit settling on my eyeballs, and my navy blue hoodie rapidly turning gray. Nothing to do now but go home and make a nice cup of strong espresso coffee. From South Padre Island, Texas, I'm Jim Wilson.